Our new Riparian grant program is the voluntary approach to riparian area protection and restoration in Washington. So that's everything from planting new riparian area buffers, maintaining those that are already there so that their ecological function is improved. And then we're also working on a protection portion of that program, which could look like conservation easements in the future. We haven't rolled that piece out yet, but that's a preview of coming attractions. The focus is riparian areas, so that's streamside properties. We're really trying to improve the ecological function of those riparian areas, primarily for salmon and fish, but there's a lot of other side benefits too in planting trees and improving aesthetics out on the landscape. So if you're living on a stream or a waterway, you can be a participant in the program, but that improved habitat and ecological function benefits everyone out there. The program is eligible through conservation districts only, and that's because we need them to utilize their technical expertise to help landowners access the funds. We need them to plan out the project and help identify which plants are best and where those should go. So the districts really bring that technical expertise, and that's why we administer the program through them. And once funding is in the hands of the conservation districts, they'll either help the landowner understand how they could implement that project themselves under a cost share structure, or the district can also just go out through a crew or their own staff and install that project on behalf of the landowner. That new program is funded through state appropriations that come from the Climate Commitment Act. The only cap that's in place in our policy is for individual landowner cost share, and what that means is that an individual person can't receive more than $100,000 in a given fiscal year. It's really uncommon for riparian restoration projects to be that costly, so we don't really have an issue with that cap in our policy right now. So our Riparian Plant Propagation Program, or RPPP, came along first to help boost the supply of those plant materials out there, because you can't run around planting and restoring more of these riparian areas without the plants that you need to do that. So there is a great synergy with the other program at the Commission and how accessing plant materials from the RPPP program can help get the Riparian Grant Program projects done on the ground. In building this new program out, we developed a stronger partnership than we've ever had with Department of Fish and Wildlife, and the great technical expertise that they bring feeds into this program. So this is really a partnership. We're trying to get ecological function improved. It's out there, it's out in the wild right now. And 29 conservation districts are already using those funds on the ground.